Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open and also edit HTML files on your iPhone. So let's get started. So by default, first thing you want to do is save the HTML file to the Files app. If you haven't done so, do that from if you have it in your email or you're dropping it or from your text, wherever it is, just save it to the Files app. Now, once you save it to the Files app, this is where you can go ahead and open it up. And you're going to notice a couple things. First thing is if you try to open it up, sometimes it might actually render the page itself instead of the actual code. And sometimes you might actually see the code depending on the format. So there is a way to actually open the file in the code format and actually edit it. Now, in order to do that, you do need to use a third-party app for this. There's tons that do it. For example, Code Editor is one of the popular ones. I'll go ahead and click on Get to download. So just go to the App Store and then search for this. You can use any other ones as well. Any of these ones that will work for you also will do it. This one I find it simple. I'll just show you on this one as example. So go ahead and open it up. Once you open up, pretty simple UI. We're going to click on the plus icon and then import file from files, right? If we do that, we can go ahead and open it, or we can also do is import files to edit right here. So let's go ahead and select a file like this one. We're going to click on open and then tap on it, and we can now go ahead and open it up. And usually I like to open this up, so if you're on the lock mode, just take it off, and it's easier to edit this way and to see the code just like that. And then you can go ahead and start making changes to it as such. So let's go ahead and edit something. For example, we'll go ahead and remove something. Probably will mess it up, but we're gonna hit OK and then go back here, go save, and now we have basically edited that file just like that. So that's how you can do it. And then of course you can always go ahead and save it, share it, and then use the options that are available for you. And then you can go back to the Files app and see your changes. Open up here. This one just opens up here. But if you wanted to open it up, you can use the Safari to open it up as well as an option to view it. So I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. I'll see you guys in the next one.